Hi, I'm Lucas Moreno from the Childhood Cancer and Blood Disorders Group of Vall Institute of Research, and I'd like to give you a summary of the BEACON-2 neuroblastoma trial that we published during 2024. This is a trial for children with relapsed and refractory neuroblastoma that we set up across 10 countries and more than 40 centers in Europe to improve options for children with this condition. The trial had a very novel and adaptive design aimed to bring novel therapies, immunotherapies, and combination with targeted therapies, and we were lucky to find a signal with a combination of Bevacizumab, Irinotecan, and Temozolomide that improved response rate and progression-free survival for this patient population. As a result, this combination of bevacizumab with chemotherapy is being used as part of standard chemotherapy for first or second relapse neuroblastoma across Europe. And also we have already moved forward into a continuation trial called the BEACON-2 trial, where we will be testing novel combinations of chemotherapy and immunotherapy to finally improve the outcomes of these patients.